Today I am talking about vector operations and vector indexing and slicing in R programming. Okay. Now I'm studying. I'm looking at the vector operations. V1 C1 to 3, V2 C5 6 7, and now I'm copy this from my PDF file and paste in my R coding. Control V, Control V, Control V. Yes. Control V. I will cut up this excess things, and then I try to run this V1 and V2. First of all, I want to V1. Okay, V1 run. Yes, easily it will run. I saw that V2 also will be run. Yes. No, now I am operating V1 and V2. V1 and V2. Adding vector, subtracting vector. I will try V1 plus V2, V1 minus V1, V1 minus V2. So I will see that what will happen. What will happen in my R studio. V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2 will run. Yes. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 3 10. Okay, it will run easily. V1 minus V1 minus V1. We will see what happened. Yes, 0 0. V2 minus V1, V2 minus V1, V1 minus V1, 1 minus 1 0. It will happen. Now we will see V2 minus V1. Okay. Yes. 5 minus 1 4, 6 minus 2 4, 7 minus 3 4. It will function automatically easily. V1 into V2. V1 into V2. It is vector operations. Multiplying V1 into V2. 5 into 5 1 5, 6 into 12 12, 6 into 2 12, 7 into 3 21. Okay. Now V2 division V1. V2 division V1. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. It is vector operations. Vector operation. Vector operation. Yes, vector operation. Subtract vector, multiplying vectors, dividing vector. Now functions with vectors. Functions with vectors. Sum V1. I will see sum V1. Okay, V1. We will see V1 was V1. See first bracket 1 2 3. Sum V1. Sum V1. It's a vector function. Sum V1. Yes. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 3 6. Okay. Sum V1. Sum V2 will same as sum V2. Okay. Now we will see sum V1. Standard deviation of V1. If V, we can also check for things like the standard deviations, variance, maximum element, minimum element, product element. Now we let V1 equal to 4 element from PDF file. 4 element from PDF file. Control V. Yes, it will run easily. We will see what is PDF standard deviations. Standard deviations, variance and maximum B, minimum B. Product V1 and product V2. Okay. Standard deviation, mean, MEA, mean V. What is mean V? Mean of V, 39.7. Okay. We will find more than 4 variable or 400 variable within simple functions mean V. Okay. Standard deviation beta V, standard deviation V. 4 element 12, 45, 102 standard deviations. What will standard deviations? Yes, 44 point. Max b, max b. We will find max b. Yes, b. Max b. Yeah, 100 max b. Minimum v. min. Minimum v. Min v. Min v. Yes, min v. Min v2. Okay. Okay, we will. It is vector operations. Now now you can see vector indexing and slicing. Vector indexing and slicing. Okay, v1, let v1 see first bracket 120 and 30, and v2 a, b and c. What will happen? We will copy these two things and we will paste in vector v1. We will write it v3 or v4, v3 and v4, because already we let v1 and v2. Now we can write v3 and v4. Okay, v3, now v4, and first of all v3. Okay, v3. Yes, it will run easily. Now we can, maybe it will be also run easily before. Yes. Now what will vector indexing and slicing? Vector indexing and slicing v1. Just more than 3 variable in v1, v3. Now we will see just v3 element 2. Okay, v3 element 2. v3, it will be third bracket. If we find v3 third element, it will easily find out third element. Yes, third element. b4 third bracket, first element, just first element a. Yes, fine, it looks very fine to identify vector indexing and slicing. Okay, multiplying indexing, multiple indexing. Okay, v3 c1 2. Okay, v3 third bracket, v3 third bracket c 1 3, c first bracket 1 3 comma 3. Okay, it will run 130. Okay, 130. It is very easily we can done it. b3 and b4 2 3, b4 2 3, b4 2 3, b4 control v, that is b4 not b2, so we can write b4 1 3 yes, AC, yes, 1 3 AC. This work is very easily we can try in our program. Slicing, you can use a colon to indicate a slice of a vector. The format is vector start index semicolon stop index. Okay, let we copy this for R, control V. It will be b5 because already we let 1 2 3 4, so we can write it b5. Yes, we can write it, run it easily. Yes, 1 2 3, but we want to slicing. We want slicing from R 2 4, 2 and 4. We can find out 2 and 4. And 4. Control V. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. No. It's wrong. It will be wrong from my first copy paste. Okay. It will be cut. We have done correctly from copy from console and write in my R code, control V. We will delete this. Try at first B4, B5, and then we try to run this. Okay. No, B5, already B5, B5. I this will error B5. Enter. Run. Yes. Yes. It is very fine to look. B5. Now we will slicing. Now we will slicing B 24, 24 or 26, which is my which I want. We can write. We can find out. We can find out. Paste Control V. Not V. It will be B5. B5. 2 or 6. We will write 2, 3 and 7. Yeah, it will find out. Yes, from 3 to 7. From 3 to 7. And it is slicing easily. 7 to 10. Indexing with number. Indexing with number. Indexing with number. Control C. Control V. We will write it, let it be 6, and it will be also be 6, B6, and we can write V6. We can write V6. At first I have to run B6. V6. At first I have to run B6. Yes, it is very easily, and B6. Name B6. Okay, fine. B6. It's a slicing. We can write it A1. A is to 1. A is to 1. It will be easily done. No error. Okay. We will practice different kinds of comparison operator selection and slicing, and we will filter and so many work we have done from our study store. Thank you.